Emerging invasive species spotlight: Castor Aralia.
Castor Aralia, Calopanix septum lobus, is also known as tree Aralia and prickly castor oil tree. It's an emerging invasive species in the Lower Hudson area of New York. It's native to China, Korea, and Japan, and was distributed by Harvard University's Arnold Arboretum in 1972 for their centennial campaign. This deciduous tree grows 40 to 60 feet tall and prefers full sun.
Castor Aralia has a woody stem, with thorns along young stems. The older bark is dark gray and furrowed. It has alternate, simple, and palmate leaves, and it has 5 to 7 lobes on each leaf. The leaves can also have thorny undersides. The flowers are small and white, and they're clustered. The fruit are small, black, and clustered. You can see a picture of the fruiting structure in the bottom right. Castor Aralia is threatening for multiple reasons. It has a very high dispersal potential because it's both bird and vegetatively dispersed. On top of that, it is an ornamental landscape plant. So people might have these in their gardens, and then birds can eat the fruit and transfer them into the forest. It's tolerant to different shade and soil conditions, and it doesn't have any known pests. It's self-pollinating as well. It has very rapid growth that forms dense stands, and the broad leaves of this tree shade out the understory and make it near impossible for native plants to grow underneath. This plant has only been reported in a few locations. These maps were generated in March 2020, and you can see that there are only a few reports in New York City, and the report north of New York City is at Vassar College. We believe that since this plant was highly distributed by the Arnold Arboretum, that this is underreported. So if you do see it, please report it on either iNaturalist or IMAP Invasives. So management for this plant, you could use either glyphosate or triclopyr products. Basal bark was the primary method that we used in 2019, but you could also do a foliar application, cut stump, or frill.
Thank you to our partners who made this possible.